Alright, so here we go. Turn around here. So we got a boat coming our way, so I'm gonna just keep paddling. Oh, it's beautiful out here today. I love being on the water like this. Right, I'm gonna get over to the right a little bit because here comes a jet ski. So this is Markham Park. This is where a lot of people come down and bring their campers and go camping. A few years ago, Mom and Kevin came down and camped out here. Oh. So this kayak's a sea kayak. It's designed to really be on the ocean. It can catch and withstand large waves. It's a very stable kayak. I've had it for many years. I think I'm gonna have a beater. Good old land shark. Alright, I'm gonna get up here a little ways and try to start doing some fishing. I wish I'd have had one of these GoPros when I was younger, doing all that kayaking around St. Simon's Island and Jekyll. Okay, so like I said, this is James Reeves reporting live from Markham Park.